Want to avoid the drama, trauma, and expense in your divorce? Then speed up the process, reduce the cost, avoid the emotions, and use a simple app designed to replace conflict and games with transparency and trust. SplitSmart is the only app that does all that and more. SplitSmart protects your kids from being caught in your parental conflict. It's an innovative, organized, and respectful way to get fast and fair resolution by streamlining financial disclosures and the path to settlement. Our unique approach keeps property division and parenting plans independent of child support, a distinction that will not only help you save money, but save your sanity as well, because it avoids the financial incentives of custody. SplitSmart provides built-in accountability for both compliance and transparency, so it encourages honesty and integrity. It also eases the way to co-parenting success by putting your children's best interest right where they should be, as your most important priority during and long after your divorce. Whether you're representing yourself, using a lawyer, or a mediator, this unique app is the divorce game changer you can depend on to save you thousands and protect the children you love. SplitSmart is the smart way to do divorce right. Visit us now at SplitSmart.com to learn more.